Hey everyone, this is Stamping Songbird, and today I'm going to do a 2-page layout for Thanksgiving using images from Scrap and Bug Designs. She has everything for $1, but on September 28th, all the prices would change, and I'm actually filming this the day before. So I took advantage and bought a whole bunch of different files. The last video that I did called Turkey Coma, I mistakenly said that Cuddly Cute Designs had a $1 sale, but I mixed them up. It was actually Scrap and Bug Designs that had a $1 sale. I just wanted to correct that. So I'm using 12 by 12 black cardstock as my background paper. And then this is an old Stampin' Up Christmas paper. I was a Stampin' Up demonstrator many years ago and still have a whole bunch of the papers. I don't know what year this is from. I don't know the name of the collection, but it's burgundy on the other side with cream stripes. But I'm using the cream side with the burgundy design. So I'm going to start, before I show you the images, I'm going to start by putting down my floor. So this is just a strip of 1 inch by 11.5 cardstock, and I just ran it through my Big Shot with an embossing folder, so the texture excuse me, the texture is not or the pattern is not uniform, but I just didn't want to put down a plain burgundy piece of paper. So just wanted to I wanted it to have a little bit of texture. So I'm going to place this down to anchor the bottom and give the illusion of a floor. Even if it's a small floor, I'm not splitting the page in half with 2 different pattern papers like I sometimes do. Okay, so that's down. And my title is Give Thanks, and this is from the Give Thanks file from Scrap and Bug Designs, and it was only $1. And it comes with 3 images: the title, and it comes with 2 turkeys. So I'm going to use the first turkey on this side. This is all paper pieced, and I put some foam adhesive on the back, same on the title. I did not change the size of the title or the turkey. I just sent this straight to my machine as is. So it was very fun to put together because the pieces are pretty big, so that's a lot easier for me, and I've said that before. So he is ready to eat. He's got a spoon, a fork, and a knife on hand, and he's ready to eat. So he's gonna go here. I have photo mats that are 4 and I don't remember. I think they're 4 1/4. Let's see. 4 1/2. 4 1/2 by 4 1/2, and the cream paper is 4 1/4 by 4 1/4, so you can fit a 4-inch photo here. So we're gonna use one of these, and then I have a table. This is from Cricut Design Space. It's just a table with a stool. Not really too fond of it, but it's all I had. So we're going to use this here. And then I have some images, some other things from another file. I want to say that this is from Cutiekins Thanksgiving, which were the little pilgrim boy and pilgrim girl I used in the last layout. These are the pieces that come with it, and they come with little faces, but I didn't add the faces to it. So it's got a corn with the, I don't know if that's a husk still on it, a pumpkin, and there's some chicken legs. So I have a whole bunch of them, and I'll just add these as I see fit. So first we're going to arrange this, and this does not fit there, so I'm thinking this is gonna have to go that way. I'm only going to put 1 photo mat here because I'm going to fill the table with some of that food. So let's start with the title. to page 2. So page 2 has the female turkey. And this is her. I kind of smudged the little belt a little bit, but I guess it's okay. And she's not holding any utensils, and that's fine. On her side, I'm going to try to use 3 photo mats, also 4.5 by 4.5. So it's a matter of deciding where. Well, I shouldn't put her on the left because he's on the left. So let's try this. No title on this side. Oh, I forgot the floor. Here it is. Forgot this, so let's add this first. It gives it a little bit of it anchors the images, so it looks like they're not floating in the air. I'm gonna put enough glue because this is textured. It was put through the embossing, through an embossing folder, and my Big Shot, and sometimes the glue goes into the little crevices and it won't stick on the paper. Okay. Again, there's no real pattern on the texture that's here. I just put it in however it fit into the Big Shot. Okay, and she's gonna go on the right side since he's on the left. She's gonna stick up a little bit. Oh, I forgot to put foam adhesive on her. Okay, so let's just start with this. We'll start with the photo mats. So fast. Okay. Alright, so these guys I'm going to use for another layout. Let's put the pin in the glue. Always got to put the pin in the glue. Okay, so here's page 2. Here's page 1. Oh, I forgot to glue his feet. Or did I not put enough glue? Yowzer. You know what it is? It's the texture of the embossing folder. Well, the texture that it makes. It's hard to get things to stay down when the paper has texture to it. Let's just hold this down a little bit. And that should be fine. Okay, so here's page 1. Give thanks. by Scrap and Bug Designs. The file was only $1. It came with the title, the boy turkey and the girl turkey. These little guys are from Cutiekins Thanksgiving or Cutiekins Pilgrims. I never remember, but they're from Cuddly Cute Designs. And then the table and stool are from Cricut Design Space, and the paper is from Stampin' Up. So let's see if I can put this side by side. Move all my junk away. Let's see. Got so much stuff on this table. We've got scraps everywhere. Okay, let's see. Let's zoom out a little bit. I always forget which way it is. There we go. Okay, so here is my 2-page layout. Give Thanks by Scrap and Bug Designs, Cutiekins Thanksgiving or Cutiekins Pilgrims. These come with little faces, but I didn't add them. From Cuddly Cute Designs, Scrap and Bug Designs, Cricut Design Space, and Stampin' Up paper. I think these turkeys are so cute, and I really enjoy doing the paper piecing. I hope this inspires you to create some Thanksgiving layouts or to do some paper piecing of your own. Until next time, happy crafting. Bye-bye.